Anyone? Juliet. Mama, yes.
Why do you like to ask dumb questions? When you know your mother-in-law is full of trouble.
Mama, I did not ask you. What is it now? Yeah. Mama, tell me. Well, Juliet, it seems like you've forgotten what we discussed. I don't understand. What? Well, Juliet, Pico, before I go into why I stopped you, I would love you to warn your mother for me. No, it has not gotten to that. Anyway, that's beside the point. You remember what we discussed some time ago? That I would be the one to escort you to the hospital when our son is ready to take his 6 weeks inoculation. Oh, that? Yes. Mama, it doesn't matter whoever follows me to the hospital. Not like I'm going on vacation. It matters.
What are you even saying? It's my turn. This is my omugo. I should be the one to take the baby to the hospital. Why are you even trying to drag it with me? Get here.
Please don't start shouting and wake up.
Oh, you're not
no, listen. No. Since this child is my first grandchild, I should be the one to take him for his 6 weeks inoculation. Okay, is that the problem right now? Yes, it is a problem. It's not a problem. I know what to do. I go alone. Yes, I go alone. Mama, can I have my
How can you drive with this baby, Juliet?
Don't worry, I'll put him on the car seat.
You have to be careful, no?
No. Drive safe, okay? Bye. Take it easy, oh? Alright.
Be careful.
Oh, I like it. Shame on you.
Why do you like trouble? Why do you always pick up on everything? Who invited you here? I was to take the little baby to the hospital.
Listen, you left your house and came to my son's house to see what brought me.
This is my omugo.
Oh, please.
Not yours.
Please, it is my omugo. Besides, were you going to go to the hospital dressed like this? What do you call this dress you're wearing? Ballroom dress. Disco. If you had gone to the hospital with this,
oh, it's still in your body. This sickness. Trouble.
Remember the first time you came to this world? That boy, trouble. You're trouble personified. I thought you used to be fashionable. I'm kind of disappointed. Excuse me.
What did you try to fall? Nobody will visit you. It's not by big nuts. Okay, it's by that.
Never find my way.
So where's everyone?
What did you say?
Where's everyone?
They must all be somewhere inside the house.
And my wife?
Hey, Simo. The last time I saw her and baby, they were sleeping peacefully. Nah, if for that your baby, that your son, all he knows how to do is sleep, suck, sleep, suck. Just like you when you were a baby.
Really? You never told me that.
Hey, yes, I used to tell you, but then you thought you were a big boy. I used to tell. I have something on the fire. Listen, go and freshen up. Come down with your wife.
Okay, Mama. Why over? Oh, I just have to relax. Richard is coming over though. So when he comes, where's Mama?
Right here. Okay. Have to get you guys water. Thank you. There you go. See, I prepared this meal especially for both of you. It looks appetizing. It's a real homemade meal. Joy. Thank you. And my baby must suck this from, you know. Mama. Amen. Amen.
So where's your mother?
Oh, I've asked Akudo to call her.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, food is not here. How come I can't wait see him? Is it hot? Okay.
Oh!
Okay.
Pepe!
Pepe, what? Pepe, what?
Nah, yeah, man. Is she not okay for
Mama, how come? Are you sure you made this food?
I made it and I tasted it.
No.
I'm not very loud. My God, for me. No. It's okay. Mama. It's so bad.
I know you're responsible for this. I know it. Because I tasted this food when I was cooking it. And I tasted it after I'd made it. You think you can get me out of my son's house? Mama, walk.
Be faithful. I will show you in this house. I'll show you.
All the money and effort I put into this meal wasted. But before I throw it out, Asadi woman. Even if you don't say so, the meat is well seasoned. I beg you, boom, boom.
Man, it's terrible.
No, next time you really have to stop flying all this Africa.
I swear down, bro.
If you want to travel, you consult. I've had that experience before. The turbulence was crazy.
It was mad. It was mad. I think I've learned my lesson. Next time I will fly again. I will come for your advice, you know. You see the way I was shaking there? Like an epileptic patient.
Of course, it has to do with life. So how was it?
It was fine, though. It was fine. Now when I came back, alive. So. Okay, Mama. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you?
I'm very well, Mama.
My friend, his mother and brother to me. We've been friends for a very long time. So meet my end.
Oh, really?
So that means you're also my son. Hey! Okama. Nah.
That'd be nice. She's so nice, you know.
Yeah.
So what's up, Nana guy? I've told you, you need to, you know, go out on a trip.
Your drink is here.
Okay. Thank you very much.
What's all this? You knew I was getting him a drink, yet you went ahead to bring this.
How? Is it not my mom? How? How did I know?
That's exactly what I was.
But you didn't tell. Okay, tell me. What on?
I get it.
How am I supposed to know?
You want to collect the money meant for me, forgetting that I too am here for more.
Ojungo. Isobu. Hi.
Here you go.
Okay.
Let's get him away from his face. Nando.
Okay.
Sorry,
Richard.
Oh yes,
Richard,
Mama.
I want to give you a message for your mother.
this is your dress. Nadia, excuse me.
Mama, please.
Okay.
You guys can drink this.
Okay, take care, oh. Okay. Now. You drank it.
When we fight, we just need to realize, yeah. Together, we will conquer enemies. Yeah.
I was about to say, you're coming to club tonight, right?
Yes, my brother,
See you in club, bro. Don't fear, bro. Let's book it out. You know how we do it? Banana club tonight. Alright.
Uma! Open the gate.
Mama, na mama, because Udo, kama. Mama, Udo, kama.
Husband is very, very disappointed at you both for disgracing him before his guests.
It's your mother-in-law that started it first. And I know why she did it.
What are you talking about? You knew that I'd gone inside to get a drink for that boy. Then you quickly ran in with your own drink. But of course, I know why. You wanted to collect the Omugo money. Oburia, Anya Fuego.
Enough!
With all due respect, you both shouldn't scream on top of my head. Okay? Listen, this whole thing has to stop. That's the bottom line. And now, it has to stop. My husband is already pissed. Since you both came here, you literally turned this house into a war zone. Why?
Julie, you know I'm a very peaceful person. I don't have a problem. I've always been a peaceful person.
Ah!
It's your mother-in-law.
Madam Peace! Madam Peace!
Yeah.
Hey, Peace! So if I'm not going all the time. I'm going a president for peace. Look at you! Filled with trouble! Filled with trouble! No, Juliet! Listen to me, not your mother-in-law that talk to you. Tell your mother, she should stay away from my path. Nonsense! No, Mama, enough! I believe I've made myself clear, right? Let everyone abide by the rules. Because
since your mother left for Omugo on her own. You see?
You see, that's one of the reasons I came back. Yes, Mama.
I understand. Ijewoki. Huh? We have a lot to deliberate upon. Okay? Take it easy.
It's alright.
Welcome.
Hi, Papa. I'm the real Nkoto guy. That's it. I don't even know what to do. I have run out of ideas. The fact is, I can't possibly send the both of them away. I can't.
Emeka, the problem is not your mother-in-law. If you ask her to leave, she will leave without any problem. But your wife, Julie, will be seriously hurt.
That is the problem. That's just what I'm passing through. Thus, I don't know what to do in this scenario. If I send my mother-in-law away, my wife would definitely be angry with me. If I send my own mother away, Mama will not be happy with me. That's one day I will come back home and I will hear that both of them are dead. Tufiakwa. Alu. That is abomination. Look, nothing like that will happen.
Papa, a mother can come. You don't understand what I'm passing through in that house. That's why you're saying this.
With the manner the both of them are going, it's bound to happen. They fight for visually everything at home. From who bathes the baby, to who makes the baby's food. They even fight for who drinks water first. When they have empty glass cups in the house. They are turning my house to a living hell. I can't even breathe properly. When I remember I have to come back home to meet them, it's a problem. So please, I am here for us to put heads together to know what to do. I don't want to be two-sided here. Because if I chase Mama away, it's a problem. If I chase my mother-in-law away, it's a problem. I have spoken to Mama. I have advised her, Mama, please calm down. But she's not listening. I've equally done the same to my mother-in-law. It's still the same thing. I'm becoming wary. Something has to be done. No, something has to be done. Before I die of high blood pressure.
You won't. You won't.
If I'm problem.
I think I have an idea.
This is beautiful. I know.
I'm sure this must have cost a fortune.
Mama, my friend from Turkey got it from you. It's a real stock. Touch it now.
I'll wear this one to our village meeting.
The other
People will be full of envy. Ole, we
Charlie go. I chocolate.
Bachelor, I come from India. These people are so close that I owe you.
No.
How come I have this material?
No. Do you want them to spoil it for you? Mama, don't worry. I've arranged a better designer to do the right statements for you. By the time she'll finish with this material, in the village, you go.
Actually, go.
Mama,
hey, Mama.
Turkey, Mama, touch it now. It's a real stock. You like it, eh? I'm glad you like it.
Oh, I shall be careful.
I didn't find them. Sir, I get people who enter here. You say they look for you. You get people who can't look for you. They say they're from minister of Minister for Hissing.
Minister for... Oh, you mean Ministry of Housing?
Housing.
Oh.
Housing Minister.
Okay. Alright, I will call them much later. Okay. Yeah, thanks for the information.
Thank you.
Get my briefcase in there.
Okay, welcome, sir.
My fine boy, I'll have to approach him, not a Nigeria. Be there, check on. What are you doing?
Okay, fine.
Me, must you follow him to the room? Go get out. Go now. My hands on the boy. Okay. Why is your face like this?
There's a problem.
Problem? I know what the problem is. it not the fact that you had to use your money to buy expensive things for that yeah, mother? Alright. That's the only problem regarding my wife.
This time it's not about my mother, you know. It's not about her.
Then whatever it is, it's not a big problem. If I make it kitty, what is it? This what?
Mama.
Ah! Chino! This is not my boy has been kidnapped. Not the only one of Kosovo has been getting. Hey! I am going home. I am going home immediately.
No, Mama. You can't go. It's not safe out there. We're still trying to get in contact with the kidnappers so they can make it.
You're still trying to? I should stay here while you're still trying to. No boy, Mama.
I don't want to lose you.
Please, you will not lose me. I am going home. You take care of your home and your family.
If onye na chokofo, but go we gonna if onye na chokofo, sing it but go we gonna if onye na chokofo, but go we gonna if onye na.
Baby.
Oh yes.
Your papa are very funny. But you know Mama will not be happy if she finds out.
Well, I know my mother, when she understands, she just give up. More of choice.
Hey! Baby, you and I know your mother is not the type to back down easily. It's better you tell her the truth you want her to go home than trick her.
Maybe rap on that.
Rap
on that. It's better. I mean, we haven't had peace and tranquility in our small home for a very long time. I mean, without hearing, I'll kill you today, I will do this, I'll do that. Huh? Right?
Yes.
Yes. So the only scream they are gonna hear right now is your own scream.
Of course.
Yeah, I missed you, right?
Same here.
Your own scream, that's what you hear right now.
You're so naughty.
I missed you.
Wait. So you can knife with my enemies to remove food from my house, yeah? Okay, I'm telling you. Why would it happen? Because you are a troublemaker. Trouble infested. Instead of you to go there and live with your in-laws peacefully, you turned my son's house to live here. Look, let me tell you. No more Lagos for you. Anthony. No more Lagos. Shame on you! Okay, shame on you! Look at you. You planned your own kidnap. So you will bring him back here. Man, I'm so bad. Look off London. But let me tell you something. My soul is still in the city. My body is here. And what am I even talking about body? It's half body that is here. Because no more food for you. Yes, no food. See, that's your soul. We will bring it back, force it inside your body, and make you to remain here. If not, I will package you straight to Ogidi to your parents' place. Hey! I bet heavily on your head. Praise the Lord. Now, if you package me to Ogidi, because my father's house, my place Ogidi is one in town. That mansion that my father left can't compare to Nwemwe. Rubbish. See yourself? Troublemaker. You are trouble impersonated. Yes! Peaceful man. I'm peaceful. Peace. Peace. How about peace? You think I'm peaceful. By the time I'm done with you, you will regret that your kidnap episode. Okay? In short, you will soon be kidnapped. I kidnap you. Nonsense, jealous. What am I even doing? Because you made your one.
from the look of the plate gets weight. Let's say many things inside. Wow! Wow, Papa! Ebe, Papa! Papa, Dana, Laye, Tawashaya! Wow! Juru, Akodo, move me from level 2 to level 3 with the 3 meat.
I know say your belly is sweet you now. I don't say like her.
No be like an understatement. I love her. You know my prayer? Make this life they move like this forever and ever.
Amen. Oh, my guy.
You're my
guy. You don't do.
Bring me juice, like 5 alive, or motor, or wine. I think wash the 3 meat.
You know go see food chop now.
No, person, you be my woman.
Chop food.
You be my woman. If not like this, then they do. Oh, what? I no go to complain. What I go talk? Oh, what down I go wash
Small mouth. Can't look like J girls. This baby will be more handsome than your husband.
Oh, sent me and I told the lad. You needed to see the way he argued so much with me that day. Like, I wonder if he's jealous of his own son. You think I don't know what you're up to? Pretending to be what you're not. I chop it, I go so. No way. And ask me. You think I will be forced out of my son's house? Or not possible? Now listen. I am here to stay. Because this is where I rightfully belong. I could go! See, let me tell all of you here. I am back. I am back to stay. No leave, no transfer. No. Your own mama, your real grandmama is back. And that is wrong. You've lost so much weight. Just this couple of days that I've been out. But don't worry. I'll take care of you. You're sleeping. I know the sleep is uncomfortable, but I'm thinking. Oh, I am talking. I'm talking to you and you're pressing your phone. The eagle has landed. I am here to say, now we do here. No way. But please don't cough on my son. Take on. Get me something to eat.
She has become very aggressive. You know your mother now. Especially when she senses defeat. Your guess is as good as mine.
Are you saying she's bound to fight back? Or trying to hurt somebody? Because I cannot go through this, man. I can't.
Brother, there's a problem.
Can you believe that my mother returned, breathing thunder and brimstone? Everyone in this house is running helter-skelter. This is so angry. We are looking for where to hide.
Emeka, why are you sounding like some daft? She is your mother, and only you can call her to others.
Oh, come on, you already have done that severally. There's no single day I don't call my mom to order. Especially when she craves for attention, knowing full well that I'm happily married.
Okay, now you're talking, my friend. You see, I have come to understand that there is this special bond between mothers and sons. You understand what I'm saying? That, like we, the sons of our mothers, when we finally get married, they feel that we have channeled all the attentions to our wives. You understand what I'm saying? So as a friend that I am to you, I would advise you to still talk to your mother. You know, try to put her in order, and I think all these things will put.
I think I get what you mean, my dear, my mother's own is just too much. My mother wants me around her all the time.
That is what I'm talking about. You understand? You are your mother's son. She loves you, and your wife loves you as well. So they both need attention.
Mama mia dimma kange mego ayaya ayaya oya gadirema ayaya mia dimma kange mego ayaya ayaya oya gadirema ayaya
Hey! Any boy! Any boy!
Hey, Mama, you see, since you came, I haven't actually acknowledged you. So today, I went to shop for my mother.
Shop for me?
Exactly.
You shopped for your mother? Muki will not be well, of course.
Mama, stop. So have it. So as long as you promise to make peace reign in this house,
but peace has always
you will surely get more and more and more. This is
peace
just
has always reigned.
So, no more smackdown.
Look at this. Hey!
No, it's beautiful. Just
see the wrong hand.
It's for you alone.
My man.
Like this.
Manager, look at my phone. See that? She won't change everything within this house. She won't change her. Manager.
I will tell that woman to come back. No, na question when you want. What will go in the ask every day? Who will tell that woman to come back? Other you follow which they for village. They stop killing the blood. No, you enter city. Now my own blood. Me or what will go in me what's up? I know sister, I don't see. You know she.
I don't see.
This one I tested.
I don't want laugh. I don't want laugh. But no one. I don't find way in angry. Don't let you be your one.
Lady, listen. I don't talk this thing before. I go talk and now make it enter your head. Anywhere I don't, in fact, I don't swear anywhere where I go to look for a job. Anywhere I go look for a job. And you know they there as a cook. Design. In fact, if you go even like if you marry now, you go like get man cook investment. Not like the get man cook investment. They service me there. So you can talk to someone like give me the
Even here, I say, oh, that mama don't die everywhere for this house. She died and
you lock her.
That is closer.
Give me Gary and use water for it so after eating this one.
So that you will sack me.
You know how I did. Get us a day for my food. Get us a day for my food. I need that food for my food.
I just said in my presence.
You see that woman? You see that woman? My official original witch. Don't worry. I got Ajimon. Water?
Apologies, my brother. Sorry. But that your house is beginning to sound like Fuji House of Commotion.
You think it's funny? No, you think it's funny. I just want to go for a compulsory vacation. Before I die, that's the only thing on my mind right now. Just to run away from that house for some time. Well, it's not funny.
Well, my friend, I don't think there is anything wrong for your mother and your mother-in-law to stay under the same roof. There's nothing wrong in that. What I'm thinking is that both of them should come on a common ground so they can tolerate each other. That's just it.
This guy is just talking OP. One nafu wago man. My phone has been on flight mode since morning. Why? Because I'm scared of the next call I might be getting. When I say I'm tired, fed up, this is what I mean. I'm even scared of my own house. Going back home is like a big problem for me.
My brother, you know what? Just have a handshake. Have a handshake, you know.
Alright, you know, because it's not easy.
You're gonna survive this fight.
Oh, get out. It's not funny, man. It's not funny. To be real, it's not funny.
Alright, bro, take it easy, okay? Take it easy. Just drink up, you're gonna be fine. Drink up. Drink up.
The time's coming. Honestly, right now I'm beginning to, you know, I don't know if it's to call it regretting having a child, which God will forbid that, or regretting bringing my mother over.
Listen, you have to take it easy, okay?
I'm not having peace of mind.
You cannot kill yourself.
Don't tell me you came up with this apple. You're such a bush woman. You're supposed to eat it in there.
Is it not me that brought it up? She was hugging it. This is so good.
That's wrong. But it's good to teach somebody that doesn't know. Like embarrassment. Your level is to be entertaining this kind of nonsense. Eh?
If you go Maggie, you're not just answer. Why do you like trouble? Why do you always like trouble? You will not get it from me.
Okay, look at what happened at the restaurant. I ordered for number 3 of the menu. She felt, okay, if I order for number 4, my own will be better. And when the 4th dish came, she couldn't even eat it. She now reordered for 3.
Just listen to yourself. That number 4, you need to put your hand next to the poroko. Did you have a poroko in number 3? You didn't even know
you
eat it.
In number 4.
Did you know poroko was in number 4? I'll give you a poroko in number 4.
I don't like the idea of you wasting my son's money. This is not mama.
For crying out loud, I'm not complaining. I took you both out to have fun and not to quarrel.
Amy boy, I don't have to wait for you to waste your money. Because it will hurt me if you come crying and you expect me to give you my little savings. I will do it. Okay, look at this. I ordered for shawarma. She now said, give me shashasha. It's not shashasha, it's shawarma.
Oh.
Now, not only did she order for shawarma, she couldn't even eat it. She removed everything inside the shawarma.
Because I saw your plan. You were planning to give me in that restaurant. Then you told them to put all those things inside so that I was wise. I removed them all.
Okay. It's okay.
Maybe her to stick to gala, which she knows.
You think I didn't know what you told her? You tried to put all those things inside. All those things.
Push people are so
okay.
I don't want. Can we make them have fun? This is not issue.
Oh, no.
It's Maggie.
Okay.
So let me be so.
This is such a push woman. So push.
Yeah. Let's sit. No what?
After eating the shawarma, she can't even walk. Can you feel forever?
This I found love.
Love?
Yes.
This woman gave me die. When I get finished, you already.
God gave me enough wealth to take care of him and my family. Even distant cousin. I'm not complaining.
I'll give you enough wealth to take care of your mother. To make sure your mom looks good. By the way, I need some new gold. Annie boy! Now, when you're at the bush, next time we go to the restaurant, we don't take her. I got your child right now. What are you going to Annie boy! Oh, well, that's your mother for you. Now, man, they use a cover. Baby.
What do you expect? How is baby?
He's fast asleep. So what is keeping you awake?
I'm just thinking of the problems between our mothers. I'm just thinking of the idea and the best way to solve the situation.
My love, I've decided to take whatever I see from them. My only prayer is that they end up not killing each other one day here. That's all. I'm tired.
Well, that's my prayer too, but before then, designing possible ideas that I feel will be much more strategic, that will curb the situation. When I'm done with that, it must be successful.
Okay. So, have you come up with any idea yet? As if it's not enough. Of course, as usual. Come on, water. There's never enough milk in this thing. As if my son doesn't give them money. Too much of bread causes constipation. Come on, mother, I've done a toilet snatch. What kind of nonsense is this? What do I do now? What wouldn't I do to have you? I must buy a house. Yes, what do they call you? Boy. Is there anywhere around here that they sell akara?
But you move from here now, down a little. Then by your left, if you stand there, then you look straight. You see Mama. But let me go and buy the land.
Don't worry. I I know you eat out from their car before you get here. Please open the gate. It's an architecture, so don't worry. It's the gate. Open up now. You see if I go right.
Just once you go right now, then you go see another left. Stand for that place. You go see the woman. You don't far. Okay. But I feel go for you, woman.
If onye na chokofo kofo, but go we gonna oh if onye na chokofo kofo, sing it but go we gonna if onye na chokofo kofo, but go we gonna oh if onye na chokofo kofo, hey, everywhere you go where, kesi pe ya ewela, ukubaya. Everywhere you go, kesi peya ewela, sigi ukubaya. Everywhere you go, kesi peya ewela, sigi ukubaya. Everywhere you go, kesi peya ewela, ukubaya. Mama, oh yo yo, nobody knows.
Hey, something like this here. This middle one for his mother. The last one will be for guests and people in the house. Ay,
Yeah, good morning. Have you seen my mother this morning?
no, I'm not seeing her.
You haven't seen her? No, okay, it's alright.
If onye na chokofo kofo, but go we gonna oh if onye na chokofo kofo, sing it but go we gonna oh if onye na chokofo kofo, but go we gonna oh if onye na chokofo kofo. Hey.
No, it can't be here. I did not see that building. Hi! Hello, MM. Ah, Chineke. I didn't even bring out my phone. Oh. Came out to buy akara, no phone. Now I'm confused. What do I do? Let me try. How? Mama Mecca is one way. Which way should I take now? Okay. Tombon, Bascalaba, Titi, Alaba, Sway. Let me follow Sway Road. Adobe Kankene.
No.
Your mother is not Adobe.
No, she's not.
Are you not from Ogidi?
Ogidi kwa? No. I'm not from Ogidi.
Oh, sorry. But please, I don't know if you can help me. Do you know one Emeka Wato? I'm looking for his place. I know he lives somewhere around here, but I can't remember exactly where.
No. I don't know anybody like that.
Let me describe him. Maybe if I describe him to you, you will know the person I'm talking about. Emmy boy, that's what I call him. He's of average height. If you see him, you will think he's half caste. Manobro half caste. He's very fair. No, very handsome.
Madam, I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know him? Hey! Hey! Gaba the monkey anachi ya jiwe the mma. What do I do? Na kono na chinechi. Na kwanu mo. How? Akara laputa mo. Chai ni ka memezi. Emi boy ne furuko. Honey, please calm down. Mother is sick wherever she is.
How can I calm down when my mother is out there? How can you both be in this house and no one seems to know our whereabouts?
Oh my days, baby. You talk as if you don't know your mother and her independent mind. I invited her to come eat at the dining. She ignored me entirely. I don't know. Why are you not trying to blame me for what I do not know anything about? How is it my fault?
Well, have you seen my mother today?
Oh, today, yes. She even called my post, my gate. She said, begin to ask me where I could get akara with my money and all this stuff. Begin to talk like that. So I said, yes, I know where they are selling akara. And now waiting at the try explain to me.
What is he talking now?
They explain to her. So he can't use his hand by himself. Can't open the gate. Can't waka, come out. That's why I just see him. And he just waka, come out. So I locked the gate.
So and since then she didn't come back?
I did that gate. I never come out, go anywhere. Since then she never come in. I never see her. I did that gate. I'm sure say you never come back.
You didn't bother to let anyone know?
Oh, because you don't ask me. You don't see as you ask me now. Me, I can't answer you. I don't want to answer waiting when they don't ask me. Waiting, they don't ask me.
Right?
Yes, sir.
You go my girl. So, my mother came to you to open the gate for her. You gladly opened the gate for her. Right? How did I employ someone like this? No, how?
It's okay, sorry, please. Calm down, please. Can you sit down? Please.
He said, leave me alone. Did you hear him? That he opened the gate for him.
Busy body. Get on top of salad. That is what you are. They should not spend money on my first grandchild, or do not possible. Not actually the batani work or besides, his father can afford it. So why are you talking about cheap things and not celebration? My grandson must enjoy his father's money. Any boy, GVA. Do you understand what I'm telling you? So don't even start with that your nonsense. No, Mama, I know. Because let me finish. Don't bring that your poverty-stricken self and attitude into this house. Mama? Yes?
Now allow her.
No, I'm respecting you, please.
Allow what you go to finish. What you go finish?
Mama, it's okay, please.
What is biting you? Get out of cigar.
Hey! Stop pretending. Don't even pretend to your own daughter. It doesn't make sense. My first grandson. Hey! Oh, Namo, you must enjoy if it's Have you ever had food and drink? I'm going to keep you nonsense. Ah! Please! People! I wish you can learn how to ignore this woman. Not every time she throws those words at you that you react. Because for my sake,
it's okay, dear. This color is nice. It's red. Red. You and your husband. Red. You tie red.
No,
red
it's not entirely red.
Yes, red.
Yellow and red.
And you tie red on your...
Of course, I've ordered for the scarf.
This is nice.
Yes, Mama.
So nice. But learn to save money for other children, like I say.
I know. This is what you do once in a while.